PitchGhost AI is one of the most exciting new releases in the AI space, and today we're going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful software. If you're looking to boost your marketing strategy or improve your workflow with cutting-edge AI, this video is for you. Stick around until the end because I'll share exactly how you can get started with PitchGhost for free. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. Now, PitchGhost AI is not your average tool. It's designed to automate and optimize sales and marketing processes, making it an essential asset for any business owner, marketer, or entrepreneur looking to scale efficiently. From crafting personalized pitches to automating follow-ups, this software promises to make your workflow smoother, faster, and more productive. First off, PitchGhost uses advanced natural language processing to create incredibly personalized sales messages at scale. What does this mean for you? It means that instead of spending hours drafting emails or messages to potential clients, PitchGhost can generate high-quality, tailored content that feels as if you wrote it yourself. The AI adapts to your tone, style, and even the nuances of your audience. It's like having a marketing assistant who's available 24/7. Another feature that stands out is the automation of follow-up sequences. If you've ever struggled to stay on top of your sales pipeline and follow up with leads at the right time, PitchGhost is a game changer. The AI automatically schedules and sends follow-up emails or messages based on the timeline and responses from your leads. This means no more missed opportunities or forgotten contacts. PitchGhost also integrates seamlessly with other platforms you're already using, which is a huge plus. Whether it's email marketing tools, CRM systems, or social media platforms, it syncs effortlessly, ensuring that your workflow remains consistent and streamlined. The last thing you want is a new tool that disrupts your current processes. PitchGhost doesn't do that. It enhances and builds on your existing systems. One of the most powerful aspects of PitchGhost AI is its ability to analyze customer data and predict the best times to reach out. It taps into user behavior and engagement patterns, offering you insights into when your leads are most likely to respond. This can significantly increase your chances of converting leads into paying customers because you're hitting them at just the right moment. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. Even if you're not tech-savvy, PitchGhost is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't require a steep learning curve. This is important because it allows you to jump right in and start using the software without wasting time figuring out how everything works. The versatility of PitchGhost AI is another highlight. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or customer service, the tool adapts to your needs. From generating sales pitches to automating customer support responses, PitchGhost can help you achieve a wide variety of tasks with ease, making it suitable for multiple industries and businesses of all sizes. Finally, one of the best parts about PitchGhost is the price. It's competitively priced for the value it delivers. But even better, you can try it completely free using the first link in the description below. Yes, you heard that right. You get full access to the software without any commitment, so you can experience firsthand how it can transform your business. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and PitchGhost is definitely one of my top recommendations. If you're serious about leveling up your business and boosting productivity, this is a tool you need to try. Don't forget to check out my recommended AI tools in the description after trying PitchGhost for free. These are the tools I personally use and trust after reviewing hundreds of options. Let me know your thoughts about PitchGhost AI in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions.